The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Ka Seng Khasi Kolej kemudian hawi Kynjoh Shillong, kala Kynjoh Shu Maumer, pasan pulai Snem. Nudup la Seng yaka, ban besar, yagi umpok li jing start, syaki samla ki batrang, bat ang nuot ban beteng, yagi jing puli ki bakham shalor. Laraki kini ke jing dap san pulai Snem, haka jing alang kablalong, haka aru pratuk nailar ara jar pon riu, daga jing sakilang kirang ba noilam. Ka Seng Khasi kemi, bakin thup, uba PD nongrum, uba DL nongbri ki bderu ki Vice President, uba Hines Marbanyang General Secretary, ki dikhot ka jilli perkhat kam ka Seng Khasi kemi, ki hikai ki nong tre, berkisamla puli jong ka college. Ya ka jing alang la penya ya kong Fidelia wa alang. Haka bala yopat yagi jingkran naga secretary jog college hukong Meryl Nong Siet ka vice president ka kong lawan Hisha Sim Yong Kongwer bala benrap lang shu sa ka jingkran naga kong Dr. Herina Dr. Padang Shushong That kum ka principal in charge jong ka college. Kalbaw president ka governing body ka college uba Gideon Kalma Plang ulashim yak binta ban Kyntiew yak Lama jong ka college bat iki kintin ay kublay layo na babu sadan kupar bala. Ubadairu unong kmi yaka higher secondary section.
So on this 53rd Foundation Day, I take this opportunity to pose the flag to honor and respect both the founders and also to everyone who's involved, both teaching and non-teaching staff who are involved, including the students who are involved in upholding the integrity and dignity of this college. To forget the student community, thank you for your dedication and for your putting your trust in putting your trust into the academic progress of this college. We thank also your parents who has allowed you, they put their trust to allow you to come to this college of ours and to work together for your upliftment. The 53rd Foundation Day is not just about the celebration of observing 53rd Foundation Day, but here we have invited our distinguished guests from the sponsoring body also to share the benefits that we as an institution, we could extend the college with around 8 more classrooms.
New York, Shimbentalang, Hakani, Hakabaka College, Kajungi, and Ankamki, Nang School, Try here, Kadika College, Kabla Poimta, Kabla Jamta, Yo Momber, Pasan Pulai. Ting Isha, Kadika College, Kalanang Pu, Kalanang Pia. But Nakerman Hiru, but Nadway Hiru, but Napan Hiru, no boat, no cow, Kamtam Air, Namar, Kinohikai, Kidei Gita, Kiban, Kilong Kadishan Kong, Nanta Kiban, Nang Penpu Pian Shu Ekaniko College, Pan Aya Kajikai Kababiantam, Nang Takum Juru, Ya Kibor Penyan, Jonganika College, Kabalong Salansar, Kataka sponsoring body, Bakum Jur Kaban Pet, Yakajilek Kam Kavaman Kasnijoko College Kataka, Management Committee. Ngakit Bokit Wang, Bakini Baro, Kila Ban Pendap Hok Yalaka Jonga Kamram, Nakamata, Banang Penkiu Shishu Yakani Ka College Kajuni. Bangada kuah hadu kata-kata, hoi, ngilai ihi yo so obai tanat hanrei nang yai kwa shu bangin nang yo shu ya ki so hula bangin nang yo shu ya ki sentiu ki bapu ki bapieng ki ban long kita ki ban penpau sya ka perthai lan ni bikin long kita ki so peni baki nyu i bak kumno kalong kani ka college ka jongi kata ka Seng Khasi college ne hajing sya ngat ngap dakwa tambah ka dei kani ka ski kalong ko ba ngano senyang da kani ka projector sya ka college kani ki jing sungo ko jonga hadir live pu Snem bangladon ha kani ka college ngam sim la yo lan bangan le ha kita ki por ring sim ya kani ka kabu kum ha kani ka ski ka badai kata ka ski ka ba la Seng labu nong rim ya kani ka college ka jungi ka ba jam tayo mau mer ba san pulai
Lama. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Celebrate di Khasi.
Ani kon, pipi abli nak mentah-mentah support saibar. Di submit tu kau scholarship jumpi. Lazit mentah ke sini teh. Tang sama je kat lakon.
Kung tahu saya mai.
Hoi Kyntiew.
Kamu nak duduk nang ni ngabis susu mujang.
Tapi lek menu kan.
Ba. Kong, long lek syanga. Dia mau apply scholarship em. Dia lazim mentah sini sama je kat lakon.
Scholarship? Kata apa? Gini kena aja. Panan ni.
Kalah lip nak belak.
Dia. Tak tahu jenis dah.
Ni ko boleh. Kau yang nak aku nak beli.
Yes, tolong. Yes, dok.
Boleh cuba mah. Nakabenta jong kiwei. Ke scholarship kedi ka paket mani. Baai ke sarkar. Hindi nakabenta jonga. Ke scholarship kedi ka lawe jonga. Ke boleh shibun Chief Minister Scholarship Scheme. Ke jingkut ku. Bat ke jing play lat. Iki beduk. Kau mengah.